In this video, we are going to see how to track Kale.com bookings using Google Tag Manager. If you are using Kale.com for scheduling and want to track those bookings inside Google Analytics or other platforms, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to set up booking conversion tracking for Kale.com using Google Tag Manager. So, as you know, Kale.com is a powerful and open source scheduling tools for managing appointments. But without tracking in place, you are missing insight on who's booking and where they are come from. By setting up GTM tracking, you'll be able to measure performance, optimize campaigns, and even retarget users who books. So before we start, make sure you have a Kale.com account with booking page setup, which I already have on my demo website. Configure Google Tag Manager with your website, and Google Analytics configured with your Google Tag Manager. So I have all of threes ready. So next we need to create a tag. Let's hit new tag configuration, then select custom HTML. Since Kale.com is an iframe, so we need to use a listener code for this form to track this. So in this case, let's first choose a name. In this case, I will name it as Kale.com booking event listener, and triggering, let's choose all page view, but you can choose where the Kale.com widget is embedded. In this case, I'll choose all page view and then paste the code in here. So paste this and hit save. Since I have done this already, I will do it in this video again. So let's hit preview. So paste your website URL and connect. Here is our form, and let's select any of date, select time, and then paste your name. Let's say test name, test gmail.com, note, and then hit confirm. So let's see tag assistant. As you can see, we get an event called Kale booking success. So let's click and let's see what we get. So in this case, we get an event called Kale booking success, origin, booking ID, and in response we get name, email ID, notes, and the bonus part is we will get guest email if there is any guest. So let's see how we can send this event with information in Google Analytics. So let's create a Google Analytics tag, hit new, tag configuration, Google Analytics. Before configure Google Analytics tag, make sure you have configured Google Tag in your Google Tag Manager. So I have done this. So let's click on Google Analytics event, choose my measurement ID, paste here your measurement ID. So I have saved this with constant. Let's click on measurement ID, choose your booking name, event name, like I have booking completed. Choose a trigger configuration. Let's click on custom event and choose your event from dataLayer and hit. So let's save it on like with this name. Save it and done. So if you want to send any event parameters with this event, you can do that by clicking here. Let's say we want to send booking ID, and let's create a variable configuration, dataLayer variables, and copy the booking key from here and paste it. Choose a name like DLV. Let's name it booking ID, and then your event name and event value. So if you want to send more event parameters like name, email, you can do that by copying here. So I won't do this in this video, so let's name it GA4 success event and save. So let's go to the Google Analytics, click on DebugView, and let's back to Google Tag Manager and hit preview. So here is our form again. Let's select a date and time. Let's name my name and admin Gmail test note. And if you want to add any guest, you can do that by clicking here. Let's say I've added an email as a guest and hit confirm. As you can see, a booking success event is fired and Google tag fired, and GA4 event is also fired. So let's see what we get. And now as you can see, guest email ID is already here. So let's see what we get in GA4 event. So as you can see, booking completed, event received. Let's see if as you know, we have configured booking ID. Let's see what we get. Let's click on this booking ID. As you can see, booking ID is 200 and here 200. So let's click on reports, check on real-time reports. Head over to the real-time preview. Let's find out here booking completed. As you can see, booking ID is 200. So that's it. Now you can track kl.com booking in Google Analytics. So if this feels a bit tricky and you want it done for you, feel free to reach out.